Shenzhen Fenglin Optical Communication Company Limited, established in 2011. Fenglin is our factory name. OMC Industry Company Limited is our international business name. We located in Shenzhen, China. As a professional ISO certificated manufacturer, OMC products include fiber patch cable, pigtail, FTTH drop cable, fast connector, MPO and MTP products and solutions, PLC splitter, fiber cable. At the same time, we also offer ODN, PON, FTTX solution consult service. As a 10 years manufacturer in our Shenzhen headquarters, OMC have around 70 skilled employees, professional sales and engineering teams, 3,000 square meters workshop. These inherent advantages bring us to large produce capacity and guarantee fast delivery for our customers. We can deliver 10 pieces to 15 pieces of 40 HQ containers products per month. During 10 years developing, we serviced over 200 customers around the world. Our reliable product, OEM, ODM service helped many customers build their own brand. We welcome friends from all over the world to visit and negotiate cooperation. Facing the unpredictable future, as a reliable manufacturer, we focus on providing our customers with reliable quality products at competitive prices. One of our missions is to help customers succeed. Cooperating with OMC will be a wise choice. Stay with OMC. We win future together.